Hey everyone, booty workout time. Make sure you have your mat, a chair, a theraband, or a resistance band could work, and some sort of slider. I'm using the insert to a bra because I find that it actually works the best for me, but you can use socks or whatever else you have. So go ahead, grab your props, and I'll meet you back on your mat. Okay, we have 10 seconds to prepare. We do each movement 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We got 4 movements. We repeat it 4 times. Get your strap or your theraband around your legs. Get your slider under your right foot. Go forward, to the side, and back. You're staying in a little bit of a squat here in the standing leg to really start to fire that standing glute. So specifically gluteus medius, more of a stabilizer, but you'll feel all glutes working here. So with my slides, I'm going into full extension forward, full extension side, and full extension back. Rather than leaning forward, I'm almost leaning back a little bit as I sink down. If you're feeling any sensitivity in the standing knee, come up out of that squat a bit. Keep working. Ooh, keep the slider there. We'll do the right side for side 1 and the left for side 2. Get into a squat position here, legs wide, toes pointing out, hands to heart, sink it down, and straighten out those legs. So simple squats. I want you to be going as deep as you can possibly go here, keeping that pelvis in a posterior scoop as you sink down, rather than sticking back behind you in that anterior tilt. This workout is designed to really tone the glutes, fire those muscles, and start to sculpt the booty. Sounds funny, but it really, truly does work. So stick with it. Deep squats. Here we go. Almost done. Good, move on to your shoulders. Your shoulders are actually going to be on the chair. So my scapula pressed to the chair here. I take my hands to my thighs. Your knees are stacked over your ankles. Dip your hips. Squeeze to lift. Dip. Squeeze to lift. At the top of your pose, everything is firing and engaged. I inhale to lower and exhale to lift. There's no wrong way to do it. I just find it's easier at the bottom of an exhale to really feel that engagement. Whew, this one gets me every time. Ouch. Okay, flip it. Keep your hips stacked over your knees. This time your forearms come to the chair. I'll start with the left leg so you can see. Take it out to the side, strong dorsiflexion in the foot, slowly back in. Then take it back behind you, slowly in. So it's out to the side and back. Abduction, extension. Notice the rest of my body is really stable and strong. I'm not caving into my back. I'm actually rooting navel to spine. And I'm retracting my head. We're not counting reps. So you're just focusing more on form here. And then once you get that form, feel free to pick up the speed a little bit. I've got a bit of cardio going on here myself. Keep your weight shifted to the left. Ooh, that's hard. Nice, back up to the top. Slider under the left foot. There we go. Sink down into your squat. Take the slider forward, side, and back. Forward, side, and back. I love these workouts because there's no time to think in between, especially when you're following a video. You just get to turn this on. Trust me as I move you through these sequences. Today's class is a 16-minute class, so we get it done really quickly. You're on round 2 of 4 rounds total. Woo, standing leg is burn. Set that aside. Take your squat position. Hands together in front of the chest, sink down. And squat up. So this time, you're coming up to the tips of the toes for that extra challenge if you want. To help you push up, I want you to squeeze the medial line of the leg all the way up into your glutes now. So feel that deep. So the inner seam of the leg squeezes and then it wraps around to the outer glutes. Really amazing feeling once you get it. Keep working, keep squatting a little deeper. Okay, shoulders on the chair for your hip lifts. So my scapula are right on the chair. Sit the sitting bones down, full extension up. I think these are probably the hardest movement for me. I'm getting warm, I'm feeling some shakiness. If you're feeling that too, know that you're not alone. Really stick with it, keep your form solid. That means slowing things down a little bit too. Okay, flip it. Stack hips over knees. Go to that right side. Abduct. Extend. The tendency will be to shift to the right, so keep your weight more to the midline if possible. Throughout this sequence, your core is engaged. Your head is retracted. Your breath is steady. Okay, stand up. Slide her into the right foot. Third round, we're halfway through. Sink it down, forward, side, and back. Gets harder, doesn't it? The first round, you're probably like, Sarah, what the heck is this? I could slide all day. Nope. Sink a little deeper if you want that extra burn. We're gonna need to stretch this out after. Okay, sink down. Oh my gosh. And rise up. If it starts to get easy, it means you're cheating. So slow it down and check in with yourself. I bet you're sticking your butt out or not going down as deep. Keep that posterior scoop of your pelvis. Keep that engagement of the legs all the way up to the glutes. All right, scapula to chair. See me focusing? I can't give you as many cues because I hate this one. So you're not in it alone. Slow it down, focus, breathe. Okay, flip. Left side. Abduct. Extend. Keep your foot in dorsiflexion, everyone. Really important to protect that ankle joint. It'll also help the, especially the medial knee ligaments, but all ligaments surrounding the knee really line up in alignment. So keep that activity all the way through the joints so that everything stays stable and strong here. Feeling it? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. Left leg. We are on our final round. Means we have to just do each exercise one more time. That's not very much. 50 seconds. And each movement, you got this. Stay in your squat. Woo. Okay, regular squats. Here we go. Point the toes out slightly, heels in. Exhale, sink it down. Inhale, rise up and squeeze. Almost there. Look who woke up for the last 2 rounds. Here we go. Use your shoulders. Maybe you have an extra weight. Dane, help. There he goes. Squeeze at the top and release. Come here, bud.
Good. How, Mama? No.
Almost there. We hate this one, or at least I do. What do you think, Dane? Do you like it?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, one more exercise, Dane. Final exercise. We've got this before the baby moves the camera. We're on the right side.
Mommy, come here, Mommy.
Hi. Do you want to sit up here?
No.
Can you sit up here? We're just finishing our workout. Can you tell everyone, good job? Say, good job. You've almost got it. Oh, pass me that granola bar. Can you pass me that granola bar? I'd love to know, buddy.
No.
This is a grumpy toddler.
They don't love
Okay, we did it. Even with that final round, having a napping baby, he wants me to come and see what he's doing. Oh, you can have this. Can you tell everybody, good job? Tell the camera.
Good job, Mama.
Good job, camera. You give him a thumbs up. Cool. Okay, now I can take care of you. I love you.
Mommy.
Okay, good job, everyone. Hope that was exactly what you were looking for. Have a big glass of water, and we'll see you next time.
This